Good morning to all of you. In our last session, we have discussed the blood circulatory system, and in our today's class, we are going to begin our lesson with the lymphatic circulation or lymphatic system. Now, it is the network of tissues and organs that helps the body to get rid of toxins, waste, and unwanted material. The main part of the lymphatic system is the fluid that is known as lymph. The lymph had got the white blood cells. Now, in our body, there are many lymphatic organs that are present, and those lymphatic organs are shown here in the figure. Tonsils, you very well know what are tonsils. They have lymphocytes, then thymus, which is present in the chest region. Then we have the lymph nodes and the spleen. These are basically the organs that are considered or that makes the lymphatic system. The white blood cells are dealing with the immunity of the body, and they help to fight the infections and improves the immunity. Now let us see what is lymph. The lymph contains the variety of substances, and it includes proteins, salts, glucose, fats, water, and WBC. Lymph does not contain any color. Okay, it is basically beige in color or white in color, and the composition of the lymph varies according to the place or the organ in your body. Now let us come to the functions of the lymph. The lymph, you have already learned the lymphatic vessel in the villi part in digestion. So there the lymph was involved in absorption of fats. Within the villi, I have told you the lymph vessel was there, and that lymph vessel was absorbing the fats that were digested into fatty acids and glycerol. Now the next is the removal of excess fluids from the body tissues is the function of lymph. It protects the body from the germs because it contains WBC cells. So these are the basic functions that the lymph performs. Now this is the another system. A brief account is only the part of your syllabus. So note down the notes and important points from the slides that are being shown here in the video. That is enough for this system. Thank you. That's all for the day.